How to transform this old home into a new room. Clean up the clutter on the bed. Renovate all old furniture. Do you think this old furniture can be used again? Oh my God! Didn't realize I'd piled up so much. Have to clean it all up, since it's a new one. Throw it all away. Remove the old bed too. These old beds will take too. The recycling center. Remove all old curtains from the wall. Then clean up the walls. Clean out the last of the junket. Get ready for our big renovation. The next amazing transformation will surprise you.
Yeah.